go to Logistic General, Plant Maintenance, Management of Technical Object. You will take it die hard. Once you make the practice, you will make use of it. How you can go? It will be no need to memorize. Just make a practice like 100 times. Need to create work center. Need to create planner group. Then you will get everything via practice. Okay. Environment, work center, and create work center. Click for IR01. So our plant is 1000 and work center I will create mechanical 01 and category will be plant maintenance. I will enter. Yeah. Here I will mention mechanical work center. Mechanical work center. Yeah. So okay, I will check for personal responsible. Yesterday we have created some personal responsible, but that for different plants. Okay. Yeah, and one more thing. If you no want to go via SPRO, there is some shortcut keys are there. So directly you can go there and you can create the person responsible. I will show you. If you don't remember the SPRO path, yeah, tick or nothing, there is a create option. So continue without specifying project. We will create one person responsible for our work center. Okay. So here, if you see determine person responsible, basic data. So you can go here, maintenance plan, work center task list. Okay. 39 entries are available. I will minimize it. See, system has taken you directly to the defined employee responsible for work center. If you want, you can check the path. First, go to SPRO, plan maintenance and customer service. Then, in the work center, define employee. Yeah, general data, define employee responsible for work center.
SAP PSR3. IR01, IR01, okay.
Yeah, I will do one thing. I will not go via shortcut. I will show you the path. Just a moment. So it will be better for you. Just open the new session. Go to SPRO. Plan maintenance and customer service. Maintenance plan, work center, task list. Okay.
Work center.
Here in the work center. Okay. In general data. If you go down, define employee responsible. Right?
Okay.
So just check for 1000. What are the data? So it should not be replicated.
It is not having any T cursor for this person responsible.
It's in SPRO directly.
Okay. Okay.
It's configuration. So if you go in SPRO path, you will get. Okay, so I will add some entries. Planning type 1000, person responsible, and 01 or 1 01. Thousand 01 I just save it. Entry already exists with same key. Okay, no issue. Okay. Okay. So we have updated this. Just save here. These are person responsible. So you can take the reference of this when you want. These are planner group. We have created planner group. Let me a person. I will check one person responsible here on plant, which we have updated. Okay, Pranav. And location. Yes, yesterday we have created one location, but no issue. Here also we will again create. See, there is a three location available: production area, damaged good warehouse, and storage area. So we can create some more locations. For location, I will show you again path. Okay, go to SPRO, enterprise structure, definition, and in definition, logistic general. And here define location. So in just to make sure that in 1000 plant, it should not. Three entries are available. Okay, production area, damaged good warehouse, storage area. So plant 1000, location 101, engine shop, shop, shop. You can make, right, you can practice this. Okay,
Yes,
you
yes.
can create multiple locations. I will not add that much data. You can update if data you want, postal box, postal code, telephone. I will just update whatever the mandatory data, so it will not take that much time for us.
Title.
Yeah, you can give anything, title, everything. No issue. So we have created that three locations. And for copy paste, you need to click on Control Y, Control C, and Control V. The location we have created. Let's see, can we use that location here? Great. So we will use our engine shop. Okay. That's all what are not mandatory. Okay. Then plant. Okay. Usage, transition. We are good. For usage, we will make it as a only maintenance task list 004. Okay, then we will go to default value. Here important parameter PM01. Okay, we need to go to the capacity. In capacity category, we need to update as a labor 002, and in other formula, we need to update SAP 008. Again, it is
SAP
asking.
008 means what, sir?
Yeah, I will tell you. This in the background, there is a calculation. So I will show you how this calculation is going on. All this having some formulas are there. Okay, calculation duration, machine time, labor time, setup. I will give you that details. What is the formula key behind this? SAP is running. Rate. All the things I will tell you in one different session. Okay.
Okay, 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 okay.
It's asking for setup formula. Okay. I will go to the scheduling. Okay. Capacity category again 002, that is labor. Here I will update. Okay. Then we need to go to the factory calendar. Just a moment. Okay. Setup formula. Okay. Okay. Work dimension. Time. It's hour. Okay. And I think okay, yeah, we need to go in details with this capacity category. We need to double click on this. Here you will find some detailed description for our category. So it's a mechanical activity, I can say. Capacity planner group 101, factory calendar. I will make it as a 01, and our person will be 10% will work from 7 to 5 o'clock, 1 hour break, 100% capacity, no overload. Okay. Just be remember, we need to double click on capacity category to update these details. Again, if you, again, one small interview question they will ask that not every company, but some company having employees interlink with HRMS model. So this is HR assignment. So you, as you mentioned, 10 people. So who are the 10 people will work in your company? So you can click here and you can assign their name. Okay, here persons. So you can create a new person like this, or you can take the persons which are already available in the system. We'll check how many persons are available. We can take that person. It's again, it's not a mandatory, but in interview they will ask you integration of PM with HR. Let's see. Oh, I will see it. No. So basically, okay, object, copy. So we have adopted this person. Okay. Okay. So see, mechanical 01 work center is created. If you want to see that, simply go to slash IR03. See, you can find. Okay, we have not updated the costing, so system is again throwing the error. No issue. Slash IR. Basically, this is a configuration. Okay. Okay. Okay, already exists. Okay. Session IR03. Okay. Okay. So we have updated this currently. Yesterday, what we have faced issue. Okay. Assignment not there. Just a moment. Okay, is that scheduling, costing. Assignment does not exist yet. Okay. Okay, so we will go to the change mode and we will make costing assignment here. So again, as I mentioned you, this is FI integration with plant maintenance. So this costing of that work center will be collected in that cost center. So let's see if for controlling area, this cost center and we can get. Okay. So if you see here, the one cost controlling costing area company code. So let's select that cost center. Great, it has taken. Okay. Okay. And here, see, this is the additional tab where you can make some technology like a capacity planner group, strong machine type, some technical data means on which type of machine this our work center people will work.
Okay.
So it's not a mandatory for each and every industry. Like they will great knowledge or they will work on drilling machine, electrical, mechanical. Basically, our people will work on all mechanical. So no need to select. But as we click on technology, so we need to select something. But it's again not mandatory. Okay, mechanic, planner group. Okay. So once I save, okay, MACH01, this work center we have created successfully. Center. So you can create multiple work center for your practice. I have just shown you one of the example. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And currently, no need to go to AC. There are lots of tabs like a ship note, ship reports, backflush. So basically, work center is not only used in the plant maintenance; it's used in the other module, like a PP module. So there are some backflushing is there for material, or like so if this work center has been used for a production planning area, some what I can say. Need to be if they have produced some quantity and they need to reuse that quantity, so it can be used like a backflush or some other tabs are there, wages type, wages group. So no need to go currently there. As you go practice, you can trial and error, you can update some formulas are there, but currently just update with the mandatory fits and try to go through what are the mandatory fits. Here you need to double click and check what is the related data. You can start and finish, you can change the time, you can change the capacity utilization, you can find. If I will make it as a, I want only 90%, then see 81 hours capacity. If I change to 8%, it will go to 64.8. Understand? You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can make practice of it.
Okay.
Then okay, so I will do one thing. For your knowledge, I will show you the formulas for your question. So see, you asked me what is SAP 008, right? So let's me go in that way. I will show you what is meant by that formulas. Okay, I will quickly save this and I will go to the formula. Okay, go to SPRO. And if you go here, there will be production. Okay. And in production, there is a basic data. I will show you. basic data, work center, and there is a capacity planning. Okay, capacity planning, there is a work center formulas are there. Let me check. Okay, formulas. Yeah. And there is one tab defined formula parameter for work center. So once you click here, you will find that data. Okay. So as you mentioned me, SAP 0, SAP 003. Okay. Or we can check, means whatever setup, machine, labor, all that formulas. Let me, for example, can check one standard. Okay, SAP C00. So once you double click on it, you will get the calculation of that formula. See, duration, time, and minutes. This is the standard calculation. So I will. This is a very simple formula. I will go with some complex formula. Okay. Oh, SAP 00. So once you double click, you will find SAP underscore is a formula, an indicator generate, allow for calculation, work center capacity requirement. PRT means production resource tool allow, and allow for scheduling. All that parameters are included in SAP 008. So in the background, system will do the calculation. Again, if production people are using this SAP 006, then see SAP 08 multiply by SAP underscore 09 divide by SAP 08. So that is the formula behind this SAP 006. So this is in the background. SAP will calculate everything. No need to worry for us. We just need to update SAP 04. Formula is SAP underscore tail and indicators are there. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is for calculation purpose in the background for SAP. You can go through and you can review it. For plant maintenance, it's not that much useful, but for production, 50% that formula are useful because it's calculating the cycle time, how much hour will person, production people will work on the machine. All that calculation will be done by this. You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will right now show you this top work center session CR05. So, okay, I will remove my work center here and you can check how many work center for 1000 plant. So these are the work center plant category, responsible person and description. Okay. So if you want for our work center, execute C, mechanical work center, responsible category, you can get this. So I have one small task for you. You can go tomorrow in your company and